Chronology fundamental theory. In chronology, we believe that there's free will. We believe that God gave us free will to fulfill a purpose in our lives as is preordained by something we call the originator's equation. The originator's equation consists of variables and constants. Constants are things we cannot control, such as our birth, our families, and our parents' decisions. Variables are decisions we make that affect our life that are within the plan or solution to the originator's equation, such as the cipher that we discussed in previous videos. Just as a review, a cipher is an unknown within a cycle or equation. An unknown is basically a lack of knowledge or a misunderstanding that needs to be resolved in order to allow progression. Now, what happens when there's no progression? The next step will be deterioration. Basically, if there's a bunch of constants and the variables are not used, then in that case the originator's equation does not become solved, and that leads to a deterioration, which we might discuss later. Now the originator's equation is important because it is an equation to a cycle, which is part of larger cycles, which guarantees to a Barlavian a futuristic mindset that's based on the idea of being brilliant in thought, or as we would like to say, genius in the way that they do things. And then, of course, to a chronologist, study never ends.